Hey there, fellow van lifers. Whether you're just getting started or a seasoned vanster, finding the perfect park up can make or break your trip. In today's video, we're cruising through some of the most van life friendly places in the UK. Watch until the end to find the best spot for your next UK road trip. Grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's get on the road. First stop, the Lake District. If you love mountains, lakes, and nature, this place will steal your heart. The best part? There are loads of campsites with all the amenities you need. Hot showers, anyone? And if you're into wild camping, the Lake District's got plenty of secret spots where you can park up and enjoy some peace and quiet. Just imagine waking up to those lake views. It's absolute magic. It offers various quiet laybys and off-road spots. Rydalwater and Ennerdale Valley have some popular wild camping areas. But always be mindful of local regulations and aim to camp discreetly. Next up is the North Coast 500, Scotland now. If you're up for an epic adventure, Scotland's NC 500 is where it's at. This 500-mile route takes you through some of the most jaw-dropping scenery. Think rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, glorious coastlines, and even the odd castle. There are tons of campsites along the way, but if you're more of a wild camping fan, you'll find plenty of quiet spots to park up for the night. Scotland's right to roam law allows wild camping in many areas along the NC 500. But remember to follow the Scottish Outdoor Access Code. In Scotland, the motto is "Leave no trace." Keep it clean, folks. Third is coastal Cornwall. Now we're heading south to sunny Cornwall. This place is a van lifer's paradise. You've got stunning beaches, charming villages, and a vibe that just screams, "Relax, you're on holiday." Whether you're catching waves in Newquay or exploring the arty town of St. Ives, Cornwall's got you covered with plenty of van-friendly campsites. And honestly, waking up to the sound of the ocean, it doesn't get better than that. Fourth up is Snowdonia in Wales. Now we're moving inland to the rugged landscape of Snowdonia. Fancy a bit of adventure? Then Snowdonia in Wales should be on your list. With its epic mountain ranges, glacial lakes, and endless hiking trails, it's perfect for those who love the great outdoors. Snowdonia has some awesome campsites here, with easy access to hiking trails and mountain views right from your van. And if you're into wild camping, Snowdonia's got a few spots where you can really get away from it all. Just camp, hike, and swim responsibly, okay? Next up, the Peak District. Nestled in Derbyshire, the gateway to the Pennines is a van life dream. It's super accessible with rolling hills, picturesque villages, and a bunch of campsites to choose from. Whether you're into hiking, cycling, or just chilling with a good book, the Peak District has something for everyone. Plus, think of those little country pubs. Perfect for a pint after a day of exploring. Now we're back to Scotland for our next spot, the Isle of Skye. This place is like something out of a fairy tale with its dramatic, mountainous landscapes and mystical vibes. From the famous fairy pools to the towering Old Man of Store, Skye's got adventure written all over it. There are a few campsites, but if you're into wild camping, Skye's got some awesome spots to park up right by the sea. Just picture yourself waking up to those misty mountains and curious coastlines. Pure bliss. Last, but definitely not least, we're heading to the Yorkshire Dales. This place is a mix of green, rolling hills and rugged cliffs, perfect for some chill van life vibes. You'll find loads of campsites here, and if you're into those scenic drives, the Dales are full of quiet country roads and laybys where you can park overnight. Don't miss the Ribblehead Viaduct. It's a sight to see. And those cozy little villages? Ideal for a pit stop and some local grub. So there you have some of the best van life-friendly spots in the UK. Whether you're after coastal views, mountain hikes, or just some peace and quiet, these places have you covered. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss an update. Now, go pack up the van, fuel her up, and start your next adventure. Safe travels.